The good news is you can protect yourself and your family against the coronavirus called COVID-19. The doctors and other experts say that the virus can be spread from droplets you expel when you sneeze or cough. When you sneeze, use a tissue, then throw the tissue into the garbage. Then wash your hands with soap and water. If you don't have tissues, you can sneeze into the central part of your elbow, just like this. That way, the germs are away from your hands. Protect yourself and your parents from the coronavirus or COVID-19.